Quick video here, guys. So I just want to break down a quick 1% loss on Aussie dollar. There was quite a few confluences for this. I've taken 2 losses on this, and then just after this video I'll post the third entry, which is in profit at the moment. So I'll start with this, and then we'll make our way to the next video, which will show the profit. Starting on the weekly, as I've already described in my other videos, we had just a nice low test rejecting the lows, which is a big accumulation area of buys, and then obviously last week's engulfing, and then you've got the area of value, which is here, which is along the top of this downward sloping trend line. I doubt we'd ever hit the weekly 50 EMA, but you can see where it's above. It's an area that price naturally will head towards on the daily. This is this is the target, and then you can see the reason for entering this was simply prices rejected the lows, retested, and then broken, and then was retesting again. So that was my reason for the entry. It'll be more clear on the intradays. So as we go down, you'll see it on the 1 hour. It's my entry, but you can see obviously prices rejected, retested, and it's come up again, and then this was the retest. You can see you've got support there. You had the 4 hour 50. It was rejecting a Fibonacci level as well, and then I only wanted to target really recent highs, which worked out to be 1.6 on the Fibonacci as well. On the 1 hour it becomes clear, so you can see this area of support was taken immediately, really. Downside, obviously you had the 1 hour 50 in the way, but it was on support. You can see prices just come back, taking me out. It's a little bit frustrating really, because I had 618 Fibonacci here. Obviously if the Fibonacci was drawn differently, it's currently rejecting 618, which I'll explain in a second. But yeah, stopped out of this position. If we were to draw the Fibonacci levels a little bit different, which you shouldn't really, because it should just be from the last swing, but if we were to draw it down to here, this is where it gets a bit interesting, because that is the 618 rejection, and that was really one of the confluences for my third entry. But I'll record that in a second. Thanks again, bye.